Okay, so I need you to think back to a specific moment. Maybe it was a reunion, a birthday party, running into your ex at the grocery store, whatever it was, and someone walked in, and the entire room just shifted, like people's heads literally turned, and you're standing there thinking, wait, I know her. She did not used to look like that. That glow-up wasn't an accident, bestie. It wasn't a new boyfriend or a new city or good genes finally kicking in. It was a decision, and a very specific, very intentional set of habits that completely transformed how she looks, how she carries herself, and the energy she walks into every single room with. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact 30-day framework to become that girl, the one people can't stop staring at, the one who walks in and changes the atmosphere. So if you're ready to stop being a background character in your own life, grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's talk. Can I be real with you for a second? Like, genuinely honest? There's this feeling, and I think a lot of us know it, where you look in the mirror and you just feel kind of invisible. Not ugly, not a disaster, just meh. Like you're not living in your full potential, and you can feel it, but you can't quite name it. You scroll through your camera roll and you look tired in every photo. You put on a cute outfit and you still feel like something is off. You watch other girls and you think, is she just born like that? Because I'm doing everything right and I don't look like that. And here's the thing that makes it worse, you care. You're not lazy. You probably already wash your face, do a little something with your hair, maybe you've tried a trend or two, but nothing has really clicked yet. And that gap between how you feel inside and how you're presenting to the world, that's exhausting in a way that's hard to explain to people. I know that feeling. And I want you to know, it's not a you problem, it's a strategy problem. Because attractiveness, at its highest level, it's a skill set. And no one ever taught us the full picture. Okay, so here's why most glow-ups don't stick. And why people try for like 2 weeks, see nothing, and give up. Number 1, they're treating symptoms, not systems. They buy a new skincare product or a new mascara and call it a transformation. But attractiveness isn't about one product. It's about the cumulative effect of doing several small things consistently. A new serum won't save you if you're sleeping 4 hours a night and stress eating in bed. Number 2, they're copying the aesthetic without building the foundation. You can dress like her, style your hair like her, even get her exact lip liner. But if your skin is dull, your posture is collapsed, and you're walking around with low energy, the look won't land the same way. The aesthetic is the final layer. Most people start there and wonder why it's not working. And number 3, and this one is the big one, they're trying to become attractive for everyone, instead of becoming magnetic as themselves. There's a massive difference between chasing conventional beauty standards and becoming the most refined, elevated version of you. One is exhausting and never-ending. The other? That's where the real glow-up lives. That's what makes someone unrecognizably attractive. Not that they look like everyone else's ideal, but that they fully and unapologetically look like themselves, just on their absolute best day, every day. So here's the thing they don't put in the 10 steps to glow up TikToks. Attractiveness is 80% energetic and 20% aesthetic. I know. Stay with me. This isn't a spiritual bypass. This is actually backed by psychology. Studies on attraction consistently show that what makes people perceived as beautiful isn't just symmetry or clear skin or a certain body type, it's presence. It's the way someone holds themselves, the ease with which they move, whether they seem like they're at home in their own skin. The secret to becoming unrecognizably attractive in 30 days is this. You have to build a life that makes you feel good, then let it show on your face. That means real sleep, real nourishment, real movement, real skincare. All done with intention, not punishment. It means upgrading your relationship with yourself so that it reads differently when you walk into a room. It means creating a daily routine that makes you feel like the main character before you've even opened your front door. The glow up is an inside-out job. And when you understand that, the 30 days becomes so much more than a challenge. It becomes a complete reset. Okay, let's get into it. I'm breaking this into 3 pillars: skin and body, style and presentation, and energy and mindset. All 3 have to work together. That's the whole point. Pillar 1, skin and body. This is your foundation, and it does not need to be complicated. Sleep is your #1 free skincare product. I cannot stress this enough. 7 to 9 hours is non-negotiable for the next 30 days. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Your cortisol regulates. You wake up looking rested, and rested is attractive. Full stop. Water. I know you've heard it. I know it feels boring. But 2 to 3 liters a day for 30 days will visibly change the texture and plumpness of your skin. Put it in a pretty water bottle. Make it cute. Just do it. A simple, consistent skincare routine. You don't need 14 steps. You need a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner or essence, a good moisturizer, and SPF every single morning. Do this every day, twice a day. Consistency beats complexity every time. Movement, not punishment movement, joy movement. Pilates, long walks, dancing in your room, a swim, a hike with your friends. Move your body for 20 to 30 minutes a day. This improves your posture, your circulation, the tone of your skin, and, most importantly, your mood. When you feel good in your body, you move differently, and people notice. Nutrition. For these 30 days, try to add more than you restrict. Add protein, add healthy fats, add colorful vegetables. Eat your meals slowly. Take care of your gut. It shows on your skin in ways that no serum can fix. Pillar 2, style and presentation. This is where your vibe gets a physical form. Audit your wardrobe. Pull out everything you own and ask, does this fit me properly right now? Does it make me feel good when I put it on? And does it represent who I'm becoming? If the answer to any of those is no, it's not serving you. You don't need to buy everything new. You need to get really good at wearing what already makes you feel like her. Less is more. A well-fitting pair of jeans and a perfect white tee on a girl with great skin and good posture? Absolutely unreal. Hair. Your hair is one of the biggest contributors to your overall look and the most underestimated. Figure out what your hair needs, whether that's moisture, protein, trimming, or just a consistent styling routine, and give it that for 30 days. A good hair day changes everything about how you feel, and it shows. Nails, scent, details. These are the finishing touches that separate a cute look from a polished look. You don't have to get acrylics every 2 weeks. Even well-kept natural nails read as put together. And your signature scent? That's part of your presence. People will remember it. Invest in one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Posture. I'm putting this under style because it will change the way every outfit looks on your body. Roll your shoulders back, lift your chin, take up space when you walk. Practice it until it's automatic. It is, I promise you, one of the fastest physical changes you can make. Pillar 3, energy and mindset. This is the one people skip, and it's the one that makes the biggest difference. Reduce what drains you. For 30 days, get intentional about what you're consuming. Less doom scrolling, less comparison, less content that makes you feel bad about yourself. More things that fill you up. Books, music, conversations that light you up, creative outlets, nature. Start a morning ritual. It doesn't have to be long. 10 minutes of something that's just for you before the chaos of the day starts. A walk, journaling, stretching, a slow cup of tea while you watch the light change. This tells your nervous system that you are worth softness and intentionality, and that belief starts to show. Stop apologizing for taking up space. This sounds intangible, but it's not. Make eye contact. Smile slowly instead of nervously. Say what you think. Don't shrink yourself in conversations to make other people comfortable. Confidence, real confidence, not performed confidence, is the most attractive thing a woman can have. And it grows when you practice it. Mirror work sounds cheesy. I'm recommending it anyway. Every morning, look at yourself, really look, and find something you genuinely appreciate. Not affirmations you don't believe yet, just one real thing. This trains your brain to look for beauty in yourself instead of flaws, and your face will literally relax because of it. Here's something I want you to hold on to through this whole process. The reason these 30 days work isn't just because of the skin and the outfits and the routines, though those things absolutely matter. It's because you are making a daily declaration that you are worth taking care of. You are worth showing up for. You are worth the effort. And the psychological shift that happens when you live like that, when you actually back yourself with consistent action, is profound. You start to trust yourself. And that trust reads as confidence. And confidence reads as attractive. And attractive opens doors. There's also this beautiful thing that happens when you take care of yourself. You stop needing external validation as much, because you already know you did the thing. You showed up, you looked in the mirror, and you were proud of what you built. And that self-assuredness, it's magnetic in a way that no filter, no outfit, no product can replicate. You're not trying to look like someone else in these 30 days. You're trying to look like the version of you that's been waiting for permission to come out. And this is your permission. Okay, so here's your challenge, and I want you to actually do this. Starting tomorrow, or honestly, starting today, because why wait? Commit to these 3 pillars for 30 days. Sleep, water, movement, skincare. Style that actually reflects who you're becoming. And daily, intentional investment in your mindset and your energy. Take a photo of yourself on day 1. Not because you need to share it, just for you. So that on day 30, you can see what 30 days of choosing yourself actually looks like on your face. I promise you, and I do not say this lightly, you will not fully recognize yourself. Not because you changed who you are, but because you finally let who you are show. And listen, if you're watching this and you feel like you've been waiting for some kind of sign to actually start taking care of yourself the way you deserve to be taken care of, baby, this is it. This video is it. This moment is it. You don't have to earn your glow up, you just have to start. I love you, I believe in you, and I will see you in 30 days, looking unrecognizable in the best possible way. Don't forget to subscribe because I have so much more coming for you, and I seriously don't want you to miss it. Drop a comment below. Tell me which pillar you're going to focus on first. Okay, go. Let's get to work. Thank you.